This video will explain how to create a plugin with an executable file that you have created utilizing TradeTech's API commands. The first step is to create a folder for your plugin in the TradeTech Plugins folder. Click File and select Preference from the drop-down menu. Click the Show button in the bottom left corner. Inside the TradeTech folder you'll find the Plugins folder. Add a new folder for your plugin inside of the Plugins folder. In this demonstration we're creating a plugin called SortList. Inside of your plugin folder, add the Windows and/or Mac executable files. If you're providing executable files for both Windows and Mac, both files must have the same name. Add any needed support files, and an image file for the plugin icon. Once these items have been added to your plugin folder, you're ready to create the plugin. If you haven't already activated the Developer tab, click File, select Preference and check the Developer checkbox. From the Developer tab, click the Edit button. TradeTech allows for 10 plugins to be installed at one time. If you already have one or more plugins installed, select the next available slot to add your new plugin. In this case, we're adding SortList to slot 1. Click the Select button and select the plugin folder that you created containing your files. Enter the version number of the plugin. Give the plugin a name, which will be displayed in the Plugin tab. If you don't want the plugin to be visible yet in the Plugin tab, uncheck the Visible checkbox. Select the executable file for your plugin. You can optionally add a left side and right side description for your plugin that will be displayed in the plugin details. If you're planning on distributing or selling your plugin, you can optionally input your vendor information. You can also optionally add a PDF user guide file that has been placed in your plugin folder or provide a URL to a PDF user guide. If you would like to add a link to an instructional video, provide the full URL. If you will be distributing your plugin to other users, be sure to add an authorization code. The code can be anything that you would like. If a user has checked the Require Authorization to Use API checkbox from the Protect button in the Developer tab, a plugin without an authorization code cannot be imported. Next, select the icon image that you placed in your plugin folder. Click Done to finish creating your plugin. You can also now export the plugin file that can be imported by other users. In the Plugin tab, the plugin now appears and is ready for use. Click the Details button to view the details for your new plugin.